Good day, Ma'am Josephine. I am Jessica Fernandez Maputi, and here's my video for the performance or activity they have sent in Google Classroom. So let me just read the question here. For the first question, why you chose TV shows? I chose TV shows, ma'am, because since I was elementary, I've been watching TV also in my grandma's house. So one time I was able to watch the movie entitled The Gifted. So that is for my number one. For number two, what are the characteristics or values that are evident in that media? Well, for me, based on what I have watched, a movie entitled The Gifted, three things that I have learned. First is that true beauty is internal. Number two is self-worth. And number three is respect. For number three, how you see this characteristic in yourself, your family, or your community. Well, for myself, I've learned that true beauty is not outside appearance. It doesn't matter how people look at you. It doesn't matter how people will judge you. But the important thing is that you are sure, you are confident in yourself that whatever the world defines you outside appearance, it doesn't matter, because you know within yourself the true beauty of yours. So that's what I can see about myself, the true beauty. And the second one is self-worth. Yeah, the world is saying that you're not worth it, but for ourselves, we must encourage ourselves that we say that we are worth it. We are worthy. And lastly is respect. And that is the very important. When we respect ourselves, we respect other people as well as our family and even our community. So in my family, yeah, we have different attitudes, but let's look for what is the true beauty. Even though we fail sometimes, but it's important to recognize that we are worthy, especially respect in the family and community. I think these three characteristics that I have learned or have learned from the movie The Gifted is that it involves yourself, family, and the community. Because when you start on yourself, having this true beauty that is internal, having this self-worth and this respect, I believe that these three characteristics will follow after you in your family, of course, in your family, the community, and to other people. So, that's all for this morning. Thank you.